Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a word that's all about gaining or helping its benefit. If you're ready to expand your vocabulary and learn how to use this versatile verb, let's get started. Benefit means to gain or help from something. It's a word we use all the time, whether we're talking about personal growth, helping others, or finding ways to improve our lives. For example, you might say, regular exercise can benefit your health, or many people benefit from volunteering in their communities. Let's talk about some synonyms. Words like gain, improve, and help are similar to benefit and can often be used in its place. For instance, instead of saying, reading regularly will benefit your vocabulary, you could say, reading regularly will improve your vocabulary. Another example might be, studying together can help everyone prepare better for the test. Now, for some antonyms. Words like harm, hurt, and damage are opposites of benefit. For example, skipping meals can harm your health, or poor communication can damage relationships. These words highlight situations where something has a negative effect instead of a positive one. So, how can you use benefit in your everyday life? It's a great word for talking about anything positive you gain or give. You might say, I hope to benefit from the new training program at work, or how can we ensure everyone will benefit from this project? It's also common in expressions like mutual benefit, which means something that helps both parties involved. Here are a few more examples in sentences. A good education can benefit you throughout your life. The new park will benefit the entire community. Listening to podcasts like this one can benefit your English skills. To sum up, benefit is a powerful verb that captures the idea of gaining or helping in a positive way. We've explored its meaning, synonyms like gain, improve, and help, and antonyms like harm, hurt, and damage. Now it's your turn to create your own sentence using benefit and share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your creative examples. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support makes a big difference and helps more language learners find our podcast. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.